Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. This is the fifth part of these videos. We're on 99 matches with Otis, so we're just going to very quickly do one wild game. That'll get him up to 100 matches. Doesn't matter. In case you're wondering, we're using a deliberately weak card over here, which is the Neville, just to make the opponents a bit easier. So we can run through these faster. There we go, that is the 100 games won with our Otis. We're going to make him into a Pro Otis, or a Protus. Just confirm that. There we are. Fully trained. Now combinable, swarm. I'll just remove this for just now. It is the Ray Masterio, which is very cool because it's power, charisma, speed, and also speed. So remove that, and both these have the same stats now, so we shall combine these. Yes. So inspire or assist? I think inspire is better, because inspire is the next match, where assist is a random card in your deck. So I think inspire is the better one of those two. And our top 8 tier has already went to Swarm Plus. And there we are, there's our Protus. Ooh yeah, ducky! Little bit of Protus, ooh yeah! New card discovered. Trainable. Swarm. For our Swarm Otis, we shall give him back his equipment. The mask. Because Otis has been known to wear a Lucha mask in the past. We'll get rid of all of these useless cards. Feed them into our big Protus. And then we shall feed him even more so. Because he's a hungry lad. This Pro Edge should do the trick. Oh yeah, Pro Edge, yeah. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go into PvP, go into Momentum. I'm going to swap out from the Only Lorcan to the Otis now, which makes him even bigger. I respect. I could probably change the gear around a bit, but that shouldn't be necessary. And if everything's all went well, there we are. It's that lovely Behemoth rank. We should be Behemoth rank. There we go. For half a second there I was worried that it just wasn't going to show up. So there we are, we can now get the Adam Cole event card. So we'll be getting that Adam Cole. We're not quite there for War Games yet. War Games, the maximum card we can get is still the Behemoth. But once we've got the Adam Cole, if we can get the Heroic upgrade on him, if we can get the other Swarm, if we can get the other Behemoth, it might... We're a long way away from getting this up to Behemoth rank. So, yep, we'll just need to try our best. But, yep, that is us done. We'll put that up by a tiny little bit there. I think China's still my best card for females. Yeah, Nyrax is a bit weaker. So yeah, that's us. We are finally after all of that time. It has been a long time coming. It was a lot of money, a lot of credits that were spent. There was a lot of time, dedication, getting a lot of cards up to 100 wins, proing cards, proing the Seamus, proing the Gooker, the Otis, the Behemoths. Yep, it's been a difficult road, but that's us. We're finally on the Behemoth rank. What is this? Is this a question mark? I've never seen it be a little question mark before. That's that's unusual. But yeah, that's pretty awesome. In fact, very quickly, we'll just look at our entire deck. So we'll just autofill these guys. There we are. Royal Rumble. Royal Rumble. Oh, that didn't change. Okay, that was already done. Elimination Chamber. There we go. The Elimination Chamber's the same as Road to Glory. Women's Elimination Chamber. There we are. Let's increase a little bit. Money in the Bank. Swarm. Ooh, nice. Road to Glory. Yeah, Road to Glory is still Biomechanical plus plus. I thought that would maybe have increased, but I mean, once we get this Adam Cole, maybe, yep. Ring Domination, obviously, that's the one we spent all the time on. Last Man Standing is now Swarm, that's nice. Giants is onto Swarm now too, with the thanks to the Gooker and the Otis. Women's Giants is only SummerSlam 20. The female part is always much harder to get. We're Swarm for Clash of Champions as well. That's nice. And War Games. There we go. Swarm. Swarm for War Games as well. Which is very cool. Okay, well, I now have 2 days and 9 hours. I'm going to try and get through 4 cards. We're going to go through the Adam Cole, the Swarm card, I don't know what that is, the Heroic Swarm card, the Heroic Behemoth card, and then hopefully the Heroic Upgrade as well. So, yep, we'll try and do that, and we shall see you all in the next video. So, look forward to it, and we shall see you after. Goodbye.